Sony a6000, which is a super awesome camera with a plenty of features in a small and portable size, needs a good lens for both video and photo. That's why after using it for more than 6 months, I decided to buy a lens for my camera, and I chose this one, the Sigma 30mm f2.8, but not the f1.4. Obviously, due to the difference in price tag on both of them, I chose the f2.8, which is on the more cheaper side and which costs around 15,000 rupees in Indian money, which is approx $200. But is it good? You will get the only answer from my side is awesome. But why? Okay, I have reasons for that. So first thing is its sharpness. It's really super sharp in both the photo and video. I'll attach some shots at the end of the video. You'll understand how sharp it is. It's made of metal, so it looks premium and doesn't feel cheap at all. What I love about Sigma lenses is they always try to attach a lens hood with the lens, which is really comes handy on your daily usage. Now it has a rounded 7-plate diaphragm, which is enough for a background bokeh, and the bokeh is not as good as f1.4 but is enough for your work. This round A on the lens means this lens belongs to the art category, which is special for high performance output. Why I choose it over f1.4? Okay, I researched a lot about this lens just before buying it, and everyone is saying that it's super sharp in f2.8 as compared to the more expensive 30mm f1.4. So I thought let's go for this cheaper one. Now size does matter for a mirrorless camera. If we compare this thing with the kit lens, then there is no much difference in the size. As we all know that the kit lens, which is very compact, Sigma one is a little bigger than that. If you want to see the clarity and bokeh output, then there goes a test shot for you. I can only imagine a world dancing. The pros and the cons. As for the pros, the first thing I can say is its sharpness. It's super sharp at 2.8 and colors are really crisp. Focusing is very fast and very smooth. Full metal body and comes with a lens hood, compact in size and best in this price segment. And lastly, it has few cons which does matter. Okay, the first one is there is no OSS, and that's why for better video output you need a stabilizer or gimbal. Sometimes I face little problem with autofocus, but it is very rare in the case. The worst part about the lens is the focus ring, which is really hard for manual focus. And the most irritating thing on this lens is there's a small ring inside the lens, and just after turning off the camera it started making a noise like a broken piece inside the lens, which is pretty annoying. Else, everything about this lens is super awesome, and I highly recommend you to buy this one if you want some pocket-friendly but good quality lens for your Sony mirrorless camera. If you want to see some more test footages from this lens, then do watch some of my recent travel videos. You'll get an idea about the output. Anyways, time to say bye, but before that, do subscribe and hit a like if you think it's helpful and the quality good in my channel. And by the way, I'm in Instagram too. You can check out some of my stuff over there also. And by saying that, stay happy, stay blessed. We'll meet you on the next video. Bye bye.